In this video, we will be going over the sine rule. To start off, we'll draw ourselves a triangle. We'll now label each of the angles A, B, and C. So for each corresponding corner, its angle will also be called A, B, and C. And we'll also label the sides opposite each angle, A, B, and C. But these will be in lowercase. So our sides will be lowercase a, b, and c, and our angles will be uppercase a, b, and c. And so the sine rule can be used to find the length of a side in a triangle or the size of an angle in the triangle if you know the size of an angle and its corresponding opposite length and the size or length of another part of the triangle. So if you knew the size of angle A and the length of side A, and you knew the size of angle B, you could calculate the length of side B. So our sine rule is A over sine A is equal to B over sine B, which is equal to C over sine C. Or you could have it with the fractions inverted. So you have sine A over A equal to sine B over B, which is also equal to sine C over C. So now we have some questions where we will be using the sine rule. And so in this first question, we have all our angles given, but we have to identify which angles have sides that are opposite it and that we are given lengths for them. So if we label our angles A, B, and C, we can see that A has its opposite side labeled X, and C has its opposite side with a length of 5.7 centimeters. So here we can write out the sine rule as A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. And we can substitute our values. So we get X over sine 71 is equal to 5.7 over sine 40. So now we can move sine 71 over to the right hand side of the equation and isolate X. So you get 5.7 times sine 71 over sine 40. By putting this into our calculator, we get the value of X as 8.384504928. So we get 8.38, 2 decimal places. Now, as we look at this next question, we can start by labeling our angles A, B, and C and labeling the opposite sides. So for angle A has an opposite side and angle B has an opposite side. So with our sine rule, A over sine A equal to B over sine B, we can substitute our values in. 25 over sine 22 is equal to X over sine 115, and you can move sine 115 to the other side of the equation and rearrange so that we can get the value of X isolated. And by doing that, we get X as 60.48397192. So x is equal to 60.48 millimeters to 2 decimal places. As always, thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.